Huasheng International Group General Manager Stephen Wang faces 128 counts of criminal charges for allegedly bringing H-2B workers from China to Guam, underpaying them, keeping them beyond their visas, and not paying taxes. A superseding indictment was handed down against Wang in the District Court of Guam. Wang pleaded not guilty to charges that were handed down in the initial indictment back in December of last year. He now faces charges of 13 counts of mail fraud, 1 count of using the mail in furtherance of the scheme, 14 counts of visa fraud, 29 counts of money laundering, 62 counts of harboring an illegal alien, and 4 counts of willful failure to pay taxes. According to court documents, Wang recruited Chinese workers under H-2B visas, promising to pay them prevailing wages to work at various construction sites on Guam. Instead, the federal government alleges Wang and others brought the workers to Guam, paid them $5.50 an hour, and forced them to work 7 days a week and charged them $1,000 a month for the first 10 months after they arrived here. He's also accused of farming the workers out to other companies that had not legally applied for H-2B workers. While Wang charged the companies $110 a day for his workers, he's accused of keeping half for himself. The superseding indictment also alleges that Wang submitted false documents, not only stating that he was paying the workers prevailing wages, but also that they had left Guam in compliance with their visas, when instead they remained on island and were forced to work. The U.S. Attorney's Office is also seeking the forfeiture of various lots that Wang owns in Orat, Chalanpago, Mangilao, and Jigo that are estimated at more than $5 million. The criminal charges stem from a federal bust that took place in September 2009 at the OMI building off Route 16 in Harmon. At that time, Wang and Huasheng owed more than $2 million in unpaid wages for 180 employees. The company's contractor's license was also revoked in June of 2009, prohibiting Wang to do work. But federal agents conducted surveillance and saw workers still being transported to construction sites even after the license had been revoked. Wang is scheduled to appear in the district court to answer to the additional charges on October 18th, while his jury trial is scheduled for November.